Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com.
A reminder as well that you can download our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store, the App Store, as the number 1 followed by the word Spot and Media.
In 1 year alone, the cell phone bill for one government minister has surpassed $8 million, half of that sum in a single month.
That's the highest ever seen by TVJ News since we started to tabulate the figures obtained through the Access to Information Act.
The 7-figure bill has also forced the Finance Ministry to say it will now consider placing a cap on call and data services for government-issued cell phones. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has the Primetime News exclusive.
We told you in May this year that 9 government ministers and 2 state ministers racked up cell phone bills amounting to almost $2.8 million between March 2016 and February 2017. But now, one particular government minister has almost tripled that amount. The total cell phone bill for Finance Minister Audley for the same period was roughly $8.34 million. Yes, 7 figures. Interestingly, the Finance Ministry indicated that Minister Shaw was only told about his high phone bill this year, and that was after the Financial Secretary got wind of TVJ's ATI request in March. Point of information, TVJ News did not get a full response to the request for the phone bills in the Finance Ministry until Friday, July 7. And even so, we did not get copies of the actual bills, just a sheet outlining the total for each month. Now, the 3 lowest bills for the Finance Minister were over $5,000, over $22,000, and over $68,000. And the 3 highest? Well, in December, it reached over $838,000. There was a bill for over $1.5 million in August, and in October, the bill reached over $4.2 million. So, what's the explanation? For August and October, the Finance Ministry said Mr. Shaw traveled overseas for urgent personal reasons and unofficial business. He was involved in finalizing Jamaica's precautionary standby agreement with the IMF. After getting the high phone bill, a query with the service provider showed that the charges were due to data usage while roaming. When Minister Shaw's phone bill was inspected, we were told that mobile data roaming settings were not adjusted for use over Wi-Fi only. The ministry adds that his phone settings were later adjusted and the Finance Minister was told to connect to Wi-Fi's as often as possible. Since then, the Finance Ministry says Audley has paid roughly $2.6 million to the ministry for personal roaming data usage. TVJ News did not get a copy of a check or receipt, nor any indication as to when the money was paid. There was also a discount of a little of over $1 million. So technically, the ministry paid roughly $4.76 million. Now, having found himself into a pickle, Audley has since instructed the Finance Ministry to place a cap on usage for government-issued cell phones. Technocrats are to also consider setting limits on calls and data services for government officials who do not have limits. Negotiations will also be carried out with the service provider for them to offer special deals for such officials who travel abroad. Meanwhile, TVJ News has also received the phone bills for other government and state ministers between March 2016 and February 2017. Finance State Minister Favour Williams racked up a cell phone bill reaching almost $819,000. For her colleague Rudyard Spencer, it was roughly $361,000. In the Office of the Prime Minister, the cell phone bill for Darrell Vaz was almost $630,000. Horace Chang, a little over $200,000, and Derek Smith, $91,000. The cell phone bill for Pernell Charles Jr. for the period was over $355,000. TVJ News has still not received the phone bills for Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, Labour Minister Shahini Robinson, and Everald Warmington. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.